Welcome to our channel. Unfortunately we lost a lot of video, that will be explained later, but we did find a new place to eat at.
Like the little lady just said, I lost a lot of video. I lost the video where I repaired the fan up on top of the roof, and I forgot to take a video of them washing the rigs. I lost all that, but here's what I do have. Yeah, good morning. Little breezy today, supposed to be 9 miles an hour, but and I forgot to film this for you guys. I was so busy just watching them. They came and they washed and our rigs. They washed and waxed mine, but Charlie's got some fading going on, and it was going to cost $350 extra to get it buffed out. Myself, I've done that before. When it needed it, I went ahead and paid the money because I can't do it. I could have back in them days, but I sure as heck couldn't do it this day. You can't really see it, but you can kind of maybe, probably not in the camera, but there's some discoloration down there. And so he didn't do that, but he got it washed. Yeah, he got it washed for 75 bucks, I think it was. And I got mine washed and waxed. Look, and it looks great. They did a great job on mine. It was 100 bucks. They got here, they said they got here said they'd be at 9, and I mean it was 9 on the dot. They showed up, but they did a fantastic job on mine, waxing it out. I got some overspray on my hood. I got to figure how to get that off. But I mean, they blacked the tires, they cleaned it, they waxed it. Get a little farther back here. It looks nice. So we got that done today. Now I got to crawl up on the roof in just a little bit because I got to go up there because of our broken, I got the stuff to fix the way I want to fix it anyway. The vent up there that broke on the way down. So I've got that door open there, getting ready to get all the tools out. Had everything delivered right here with Amazon because we went to the dealership here and it was ridiculous. They made me, had to get one of them things that goes under there. You see one over there. That thing right goes under it. I had to order get one of them because they said I can't leave it on the ground. So it's out here, and then that's okay. But I had to get one of them, $28 on Amazon, $58, just about 3 blocks down that way. It's ridiculous. So I'm ordering everything, but we got everything we got for the roof. We're going to put on these roof covers. They were $43, and being at the end of the season, they were closing them out, and I got them for $28. So I went ahead and got 2 of them. We're going to put them on there. We got the tape that goes to hold them down, some new screws, and some new tools. You know me. There's a reason I'm buying them. New tools. And we got the drill. I brought that from home. So I'm going to get up there and do that, but I'm very satisfied with this. How clean and nice this looks. I had this guy's phone number in my phone here from about 4 or maybe even 5 years ago, and he was still doing it. They came over here with a crew of 5, had her knocked out. I don't even know what time it is, but they knocked it out quicker than I could get out the camera and get her done. So I'm going to get on that right now. You'll see that either hooked onto this video, probably hooked onto this video, or you will definitely see it in a video how I'm going to repair it. Let's crawl up on the roof and get her done. Happy with that. And they got all the mold. He had a lot of green mold. It's from Louisiana. They get this green mold. They got it clean. Yeah. So that's that. All right, I'm going to get up on there and get that done. This is another hard day at Yuma working. Isn't that right? We're working hard, ain't we?
Oh, better lift the glass off the side.
But these boys, they are working. Charlie decided to go ahead and get it buffed out. So it's buffed, washed, waxed, washed, buffed, and waxed now. How long have they been working on it, Charlie? An hour or two?
Maybe 40 minutes before you got back, less than an hour.
Oh, okay.
One guy was good by himself. Just put the wax on.
Yeah.
That's compound, whatever that is.
They dropped one guy off and he started the process. He got all the wax on it and then it dried. Maybe that's the point. There's the owner of the company right there. He's making sure they're doing it right. There's the boy who started it. Looking good. What's your name of your company?
Sergio Mobile Wash.
And your phone number. I'm filming you.
928-919-4368.
Best one in town.
Thank you.
Yeah, remember that if you come down here. We've used him quite often. He's really good. They're using McGuire's. That ain't bad. I think he's got, well, I know he's got more people working. I don't know how many. But this boy's putting her on, and then they're buffing her out. This side was always against the weather back home in Louisiana. So I think now the wash was $75. I think this wax and buff it out with the buffers is another $350. You know, a lot more work for sure. So you can see how she's shining up right down through there. It's gonna be shiny. Yeah. All right, that's that. Let's get this posted out to you, boys and girls. Well, I was wrong about the price. It was only $290 more because he'd already paid some of it. But naturally, Charlie gave them a good-sized tip. And I'll tell you what, that guy, the owner, before they left, he came over and he laid his head against that and he sighted all the way down it. In any little spot he's seen that was not perfect, he would point. They would over there be buffing that thing out. They did an excellent job. For the money, I mean, you can't get that done around here anyway. So we always do it down there. Thanks for the good job. Once we got that done, we headed down and found this new place to eat. And boy, did we enjoy it. So here's the video of it. We are trying a new place we've never been to, and that's the name of it. Dirty South Barbecue House. Won a lot of awards. And the waiter, he's such a handsome young man right there.
He's losing his hair.
There's our mac and cheese. We got Texas, what do we get?
Texas toast brisket.
Yeah.
And if you're all
Look.
looking at the sauce,
Ketchup, please.
if you see that piggy right there with the udders, says condiment sound, you squeeze the udders.
Oh.
You have to milk the pig. I will be
I gotta have somebody, I gotta go check that out. We're gonna milk a pig to get the.
And we need some pork. You said that pork.
All right. Apple barbecue, you milk the pork to get the. Okay, this is something else. Dirty South barbecue. I'm gonna try that one.
Oh, it's good.
Okay. Show me how to do that. I'm gonna just film it. I'll put you on YouTube.
Are you gonna, is this to go or to eat here?
To eat here.
Okay. Now, what
That's a
kind of-
first.
Which would you like?
Try the cherry
The cherry chipotle?
Yeah.
You gotta milk the teats, man.
Gotta get him by the teeth.
That's right.
Awesome. Thank you.
Oh, thanks.
That's awesome.
All right, you guys.
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
That's the
yeah.
first. That's a first for us.
Oh, okay, no problem.
Thank you.
That's a first. Now, Not only was that awesome, they got a little place here. This is where we heard about it. Little gifts, clothes. Boutique is inside this little building. I'll put an address on here, but it's just do a Google on it. Bring your woman down here. She can do some shopping while the food's getting done. It's pretty cool. Food looks good, but I haven't tried it yet. But you can bet I'm going to go in there and I'm going to try it right now. And then I'll do some filming outside, show you where we are. But that's what the boutique looks like. Nice little restaurant, very friendly people. Come and check them out at the Dirty South Barbecue House. Vicky and I split this sandwich, and I'll tell you what, it filled me up. It was delicious. Go check that place out in downtown Yuma. Well, I'm outside. Already showed you inside, you've seen that. We are, that's one of the main drags right over there. I think that's 4th. I think this is 3rd. Yeah, we're on 3rd Avenue here. Napa dealer's right here. You're coming down 4th. Look for that big old Napa dealer. Pull back behind there any which way you can, and you'll end up to Dirty South Barbecue House. Oh, it was good. It was good. Matter of fact, we're getting we ate, and we're also going to get some to go take home with us. Then we got some of their soup. Was great. Good food. As long as we don't get sick. We've been having bad luck with that. But we enjoyed it. Hopefully everything works out like it should. We have no reason to think it don't. It's got a bunch of awards hanging on the wall in there. But we enjoyed it. Where we are staying, there's them foothills that I've showed you many times. We're way over that way. We're in Yuma proper. The town of Yuma. You just go down that road, main road right there, and it drops down and right into downtown. And California is about 1.5 miles that way, so don't go over there. You never know what happens. But it's a 100 degree day. I think 101 was going to be the day's high. I'm going to call that filmed on this little location. Throw this video on there. Hope you enjoy it. And let's see. I think that's it. I'm going to get them guys. We're going to hop on the Jeep, head back to the camp. I'm going to get in the pool. We're only going to be here 2 more days, I think, and we're going to get out of here early because of a storm coming. So, of course, you'll be seeing this a month after we're already back, unless you're watching it on Patreon. These guys are getting it pretty much live. So, that's what we're going to do, send this to them, and you'll get to see it later. Thanks for following, everybody. Come and check this place out. It is really good. Real wood even. They burn it. Even the soup smells like it's been barbecued. It is awesome. See you later, guys. Thanks for following.
I hope you're enjoying these videos. We have a lot of content from our adventure in Yuma. Please subscribe to our channel's YouTube and Patreon so you get all the updates as we post them. It really helps. Thank you.